In this video, we'll be checking performance of the charger that comes with your DOOGEE S86 Pro using this GoSoon smart socket, which will tell us exact performance of the charger. Inside this app right here, you can see everything. So now let's plug this into the power. Then we'll need to plug the charger to the socket, and now into the phone itself. So it started charging. Now we might need to wait a few moments or even restart the app. So some statistics are already seen. We can wait for 20 seconds till they stay stabilized. So they are like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.